Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install an IKEA kitchen island. We're putting in a single row island using a floor anchoring frame, starting with the perimeter of the kitchen. First, we'll measure the precise placement and mark the floor for the anchoring frame to make sure everything is perfectly centered. Once the floor is marked, I'll move on to assembling the frame. It features adjustable feet, which I'll calibrate so the island matches the height of the existing cabinetry. I'm using a laser level here, aligning it with the base of the cabinets to get that height exactly right. Once the frame is level, I'll attach the L brackets, Since we're working with a concrete floor today, I'll be using a ram set to securely bolt the frame down. With the frame anchored, I'll set the cabinets on top to double check the level and height. Then, I'll install the legs and secure the cabinet units together. Finally, I'll level the entire assembly one last time, attach it to the floor frame, and finish it off by installing the back panel.